hit that subscribe button and the bell icon beside it to check out our latest videos before anyone else. Hi there guys, I'm Nikhil from GreedyTech and this is the speed test between Redmi Note 5 and Honor 7X. The Redmi Note 5 sports a Snapdragon 625 processor with Adreno 506 GPU. Base variant starts at 10,000 rupees for the 3GB RAM variant, and I'm using the next variant with 4GB of RAM. Honor 7X sports a Kirin 659 processor with Mali T830 MP2 GPU. Now these are the Antutu and Geekbench scores of both the phones. Now I'll start the solo speed test where I open these 20 applications on both the phones individually and you can see which phone opens them faster. By the way, both the phones are connected to the same Wi-Fi network and all the apps have been updated to the latest version. Both the phones are also running the latest version of their operating system. So guys, Redmi Note 5 was 6 seconds faster than Honor 7X. Now let's see how they perform side by side in the regular speed test. In this regular speed test, I'll open the first 16 applications on both the phones at the same time and you can see which phone opens them faster and exactly how fast it is when compared to the other phone. By the way guys, in terms of raw performance, Honor 7X has a more powerful CPU and Redmi Note 5 has a better GPU. In terms of software optimization, right now Honor 7X is much better optimized than the Redmi Note 5. So guys, for most of the apps, Honor 7X was faster than Redmi Note 5 by at least few milliseconds. So the winner of the speed test is Honor 7X, at least as of now. With some updates and software optimization, Redmi Note 5 might perform better in the future. Now let's see which of these apps are still in memory. In this memory management round, I'll open the same set of apps in the reverse order to see if they are still in memory. If they are in memory, they should open in less than a second at the same place where I left them earlier. Even 3GB of RAM should be sufficient to keep all these apps in memory if the phone has good memory management. By the way, I have the 4GB RAM variant of Redmi Note 5 and Honor 7X comes with 4GB of RAM. Memory management is good on both the phones, and both the phones were responsive while retrieving apps from memory. So in the memory management round, it's a tie. So guys, that's pretty much it for this video. What's your take on the speed test? Do let me know by commenting below this video. If you are planning to buy either of these phones, use the link in the description. It really helps the channel. If you want us to make any specific video, tweet out to us with the hashtag AskGreedyTech on Twitter and we will try to make it as soon as possible. If you like this video, hit that like button and subscribe to our channel to see more cool videos on tech. I'm Nikhil from GreedyTech signing off. Have a nice day.